What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to go over how to properly use a ferro rod. So the first thing that you're going to need, and this is what I recommend, is find yourself a ferro rod that is 5 to 6 inches long and about a half an inch thick. And the reason that I recommend this is because if you get one of them really tiny ferro rods that's only like an inch and a half and it's real thin, and you start trying to scrape on it, it's either going to break on you, or the sparks that you do get are going to be so minimal, it's a waste of time, effort, energy, all that kind of stuff. So find yourself a 5 or 6 inch ferro rod, about a half inch thick. This one had a hole in it, so I put some paracord on there, just long enough I could wear it as a necklace if I needed to, so I don't lose it for obvious reasons. So one of the biggest things that you need is a good survival knife. This is the Ontario Blackbird knife, and it's got a spear point. It's got a flat grind on the back, which is what you need. I guess if you absolutely had to, you could use the ferro rod on the blade, but if you ever did that, use the back right here, and I really don't suggest it because it will mess up your blade. So you can see this one's kind of got some burn marks. It's stainless steel. This is a good knife. It's about a $113 knife, but you're going to want something that you can depend on. That's full tang, flat grind, just a good survival knife, right? So first thing we're going to do here is I have got these fire starters that I've made, and all that they are is a makeup pad that is dipped in wax. Okay, these are super simple and easy to make. I could probably do another video if you guys want to see that. Comment down below. So all we got to do to light this with the ferro rod, this gives us immediate results. 1 scrape, 2 scrapes, you actually get a physical flame. You're not fighting with an ember, right? So I highly recommend these. They're light, they're thin. You can carry them in your wallet, in your pocket, whatever, right? So we open these up. Basically all we do is bend it back and forth, right? It's just waxed cotton. Rip it down the side. Okay. Now you're looking to get as many exposed fibers as you possibly can. See how it just gave up there? So we're even going to open it up some more here on the inside. Okay. See how we got all those fibers exposed? So we're going to put that down here on our board, and I'll move the camera down so you guys can see that. So we've got that ready, right? So then the next step is taking our ferro rod, our brand new ferro rod, taking the back of our knife. First we want to secure our ferro rod in our hand so it's not going to move. We're not going to pull out when we scrape it. Take the back of our knife here, the flat grind, make sure it's a flat grind. Just run it across. See how we're getting that paint off of there? Oops, started to spark, see? Alright, so we'll stop right there. See how it's got that line there? Just took the paint off. Okay. So now, I'll move the camera down so you guys can see a little bit better. So we've got our exposed fibers right here. We got our knife. We got our ferro rod that we just scraped. So we're just going to take and resecure that ferro rod. That's why I like putting something on the back of here. That way I can wrap it around my fingers there, and I know when I scrape it, it's not going to fly out of my hand, right? So a couple people plant the ferro rod on the ground, and they hold their knife and they pull the ferro rod back. Other people hold theirs up and scrape at it. Honestly, whichever way, it gets the same job done. So you just want to gonna get full scrapes, okay? So let me just move this out of the way real quick and show you guys a full scrape. So you don't want to do these little, right? That ain't gonna get you nowhere. Okay? Dig down, get that edge. Dig it down. Plant your hand on that knife. Right in the back. Don't want to be up here, you want to be back here. And you want to push. I like to hold it. Take this hand. Push. 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 So we got our tender here. Take our blade. Push. Just like that, guys. First scrape. You got fire. So anytime you guys are using a ferro rod, just remember you have to take whatever fibers you're using, whether that be natural or man-made, and expose as many of them as you possibly can, the finest fibers. So yeah, I mean, it's just that simple. It's that easy. Guys, these little fire discs, these are really easy to make. Again, they're just cotton makeup pads that you dip in wax. You can carry them in your bag, your pocket, whatever, right? Super easy to light. And this will probably stay lit, honestly, for probably about 3 or 4 good minutes. So, other than that, guys, that's all for this episode. Stay tuned. If you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.